Okay, I'll just show you how to play music, stream audio through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Chrysler Jeep Compass. So over here we go to music. You'll see there's a record playing there, and you'll see at the bottom there Uconnect. If I click on there, there's a tick next to Uconnect. That means any audio that plays on my phone, if I have this set up correctly, it'll play through the speakers in the Jeep. So we'll go back to it. It's playing. We go over here. We want media. See there, Bluetooth media. So click on there, Bluetooth media. Lewis Capaldi, Someone You Loved. If I turn that up, that's it. Now, if it wasn't on there, let me just show you something else. So we'll put it on USB. We'll go back to nav. We'll click play on here. So that's playing on here. We go over to media. It's not playing, it's on USB. So what we have to do, just go up the left hand side there, click the Bluetooth, Barry's phone. There you go. That's how you stream audio.